We can hear you clearly. There is nothing wrong with the mic. And we can see clearly that the people who are standing on the platform and the people standing in the audience are bewildered as to why you keep saying there's something wrong with the mic. You can't even offer sober leadership to your political party, but you expect us to believe that you can offer sober and responsible leadership at the highest level in the government? It is quite embarrassing. Every single speech is written by Rome. Every single behavior, everything that dictates what is put forward by the person who is looking to serve at the office of the Prime Minister is determined by how much alcohol is consumed before he goes on the platform. Quite outlandish, quite outrageous if you ask me. Frankly, I do not support the People's National Party, and I'm very embarrassed on their behalf.